Hey everyone, we're back. Here is a video of our 2021 archery mule deer hunt in California. It was quite challenging to video and hunt at the same time, but here it is. We hope you enjoy it. We spent a lot of time scouting and practicing and getting ready for this hunt, and it ended up being a success. Although we didn't get a kill shot or anything magical in there, this was our first video of filming a hunt. It was challenging, and we look forward to improving the videos in the future, so enjoy.
When the sun goes down on the river, it's time to chase the moonlight. I work hard every day for a working man's pay, but I'm letting loose tonight. I think I'm gonna rise up, riding high, ain't nothing gonna hold me back. Now I'm on the move, got nothing to lose, like a freight train off the tracks. Come on up the mountain, set yourself free.
What's up, Outdoor Built here?
Hey!
We're back up on the mountains, and Katie and I drew a archery tag in an unknown spot, so we're not going to tell you. But we've been practicing. We've got our place figured out. We got our camper up top here, and we got our quad, and we're going to get a good night's sleep. And tomorrow we're going to go up high. We'll just tell you that much. And we're going to go scout and plan out our archery season, but I will say we'll be up high, and it's going to be a dream of mine and Katie's to do a high country California
California key.
hybrid mule deer archery hunt in a couple months, I think.
No,
So,
next month.
next month.
Yeah.
So next month. So here we are, and we'll hopefully find some bucks up top tomorrow, and we're gonna stay the night.
Yeah, we're going overnight backpacking up there so we can last tomorrow night, see what's up there, and then first thing in the morning before we come out. So it should be fun.
Stay tuned. Alright, good morning. Day 2. We camped up here last night. Glassed up some bucks last night and found them this morning again, about 11 of them. So, like I said, we got a couple months from now. We are going to be back up here in the hopes of being able to harvest one of those bucks. So that's it. What's going on, YouTube?
Hey, YouTube.
So, Katie and I are up on our high country California mule deer hunt. Our packs were mine was about 50, hers was about 40 plus pounds, so it took us about 3 hours to climb. We just set up camp, and now we are at our water source. So we are thirsty. We kind of starved ourselves with some water to compensate for weight, but we're here. We've got, it's the day before the opener, and we're gonna cool off get some water and take some back to the camp. We actually have some pancakes we vacuum sealed too. We're gonna keep in the creek just to keep them cold and fresh. We have a dry bag. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go kill, hopefully tomorrow. But hey, we got plenty of time to do it, so.
Yeah, have fun.
So we'll check back in with you. We'll try out this mustache transition. Good morning. Day 2.
Day 2, good morning.
We got some coffee rolling. Flashlights hooked up.
That thing's a lifesaver. It's wonderful.
Oh, we're steaming up.
Oh.
And we've got some oatmeal and... All right, well, we are smoked out. And just saw a couple does this morning. And we are about as high as you can go. So we're gonna cut across and probably head back to camp eventually.
Okay, so we believe we saw some bucks over this finger this morning, so we've been down at the bottom kind of hanging out. Brian's making his way up. It's pretty steep, very slippery and rocky. Slow go, but we'll get up a little ways, drop the packs, and see if they're bedded on the other side. Super smoky today, so it's hard to see down canyon. So this is our next best option.
Don't see the danger, don't feel the pain. Walk on the water, run through the flames. If you're not the hunter, you become the prey.
Underneath this juniper tree, we're gonna see what happens.
We're in the wild. We're in the wild. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. We're in the wild. Running for cover. Ain't got a prayer. Scream at the top of your lungs, but no one can hear. Nothing you imagine, more than you could dare. You know what is coming, 'cause you feel it in the air. Nothing here is sacred. No one's ever safe.
Keep going. Okay. Rap. Rap. Let's go off the end. Good job. That's all we can do.
Yeah, I mean, he went down. For the last 5 hours probably glassing, haven't seen anything, so I think we're gonna make a decision and go down and move spots.
I think we talked with some other people. We counted up to 8 to 10 people up here hunting. Sounds like there's been about up to 3 groups of 10 each bucks, but it sounds like most of them busted out of here and went down.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go try a new spot. We're gonna break down camp, climb down a couple thousand feet, and reconvene.
Have a beer.
And a shower.
Yeah, and a shower.
All right.
All right.
So that's the plan. We're here. So we've got 3 bucks through the rocks here. There's 3 bucks. There's a spring down below, so I'm gonna be waiting down below these rocks for those bucks to feed down. Katie's gonna be here. They're bedded right now. She's watching through the rocks when they stand up. I'm gonna go get into position for a shot. It's like it'll be around 60 yards or so. So it's just a waiting game now. Patience.
Don't see the danger, don't feel the pain. Walk on the water, run through the flames. If you're not the hunter, you become the prey.
Here we go.
And it's sacred,
Brian just got a buck down.
we're in the wild,
We're going in to get him.
we're in the wild.
There he is. Full velvet.
Hold the head up a little bit. So here he is.
Looking beautiful.
I got him in the lungs a little far back. It was about a 62-yard shot, and finished him off. Beautiful velvet,
Beautiful.
high country buck. Turn him this way again. Yeah.
Here is sacred, no one's ever safe. We're in the wild now.
Okay, we got our buck here.
Got him back.
Katie's
base camp.
Katie's been rinsing him off. We got our camper, 4-wheel pop-up camper. So we got all of our lights here in the back, and I got our rack that we're working on that swings out with a leg, and it's got a bar here so we can hang stuff. So we might hang up some legs on there and get the meat cool. And it's 8:30 at night.
We're ready to get to work.
Most important thing is we preserve all this meat off our bucks. So there he is.
We're in the wild now.